Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace, and in this video I just quickly wanted to talk to you about the DJI Mavic Mini and a problem I've been having with the motors and the propellers on it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as I said, I just wanted to talk to you about a problem I've been having with the propellers on my Mavic Mini. It's particularly annoying because it just comes up when I'm flying. I'll get a message on the screen saying that something wrong with the propellers to land as soon as possible. And then when I do, I land it and then you hear a beeping coming from the propeller on the drone and it's twitching and you can see that there's something wrong with the propellers or the motor. Now I've done this a few times and I've had no problems with it. Now usually it just means the Mavic Mini propeller is bent when you've put it away in the box. So obviously we've got this little padding part here in the box, and then if the propellers drop down like this and you push it in and then you push it into place, your propellers are going to be quite bent. So when you get it up in the air and the propeller starts spinning around, there's a chance they can start clipping against the arm of the drone. So over time this has become something that I've just started to ignore. But then I was flying it again the other day and I had this problem come up and I could only get to a certain height and I couldn't take off anymore. So what I decided to do was to land it, look at the propeller and then take it off again. Now the second time I took it off, it decided it was going to start coming down by itself when it got to about 30 meters. And when it came towards the land, it just kept going and then it crash landed. Now it wasn't a complete crash, it was still level, but it was declining fast and I didn't get the sensors underneath picking up the fact that it was about to hit the ground. So then what I decided to do was to change the propellers, and then since then I've had it working with no problems at all. Now obviously this is making me a bit nervous. I want to fly it quite a few more times before I decide to fly over water again, for example, because I do not want to be losing another drone into water again. So when I've done my research on this problem, it is pretty much always 100% of the time the back ones that are going to be having the problem. And again, I think this is just because they've been crushed where they've been put down with something pushing them towards the body of the drone. So I've just made this video in case you've been having these problems, or just to make you aware of them so you know to avoid them and to make sure you put your drone away properly. Now it does show you on the case how to fold it in properly, but I just wanted to highlight the problem you can have because in the end it's ended up costing me money to replace the propellers. Okay guys, so as I said, this is more just trying to avoid the problem, or if you have it, just to give you an idea of what it could be. Now I'd be really interested to know in your experiences and how this has affected you. As I say, for me it's been quite annoying and it's knocking my confidence with flying the drone. So yeah, please leave any experiences you've had in the comment section down below, and if you found this video useful, hit that like button. It's a huge help to me as a creator, and I hope to see you in the next one.